This procedure covers the general guidelines for soldering surface mount chip components. The following surface mount chip components are covered by this procedure. While all of these components are different, the techniques for soldering are relatively similar. The minimum skill level needed to complete this procedure reliably is intermediate. The conformance level reached when this procedure is completed properly is high. See the web page for a list of the tools and materials required to complete this procedure. The procedure follows. Step 1. Add liquid flux to one pad. Step 2. Pre-fill one pad with solder. Step 3. Clean the area. Step 4. Add liquid flux to both pads. Step 5. Place the component in position and hold it steady with a wooden stick or tweezers so that the soldering iron won't push the component out of alignment. Step 6. Place the soldering iron tip at the junction between the pre-filled pad and component lead. Flow the solder until the component drops down and is soldered in position. Apply additional solder as needed. Step 7. Remove the tip. Wait a moment for the solder to solidify before soldering the other side of the component. Step 8. Clean, if required, and inspect.